How to fix Valorant stuck on your game requires a system restart. So I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, you want to open up your computer search. You want to search for services. Click on this option, services. Then you want to press on any service and then type V. So you find VGC, right click, go to properties. You want to change the startup type from manual to automatic. Click on start. Click on apply and OK. Now what we have to do is the second step, which is going to be opening up the computer search and searching for Valorant. Right click on Valorant, open file location. This time we want to right click again, show more options, go to properties and check these three options. In the compatibility tab, you want to check this compatibility mode. Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK. Now the last step will be restarting our PC. You want to click on the button here, the power button, and just restart it. But before you go, make sure you leave a like and sub, and that is going to fix your game. I'll see you next time.